In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set or change your Telegram profile image. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. So if you're just starting with Telegram and you want to set a profile image, or you have been using Telegram and you wish to change your profile image, then open your Telegram app and then tap on this menu bar here to expose your profile. And here is my profile. As you can see, I already have an image. This is my profile image that I will wish to change. Now there are two ways we can use to change this image. The first one, you can just tap on the image and then you'll see the three dots on top here. Tap on them and then here choose the option called set profile photo. Alternatively, if I go ahead and tap on profile, I'll still again get to the same place and then tap on these three dots. And then here choose the option called set profile photo. And then this will take me straight to the gallery. I'll choose the image that I want to set. And then tap on the tick here. And it will be set automatically. Now if you go back, you can see our profile has now a different image. So that's how you set a new profile image or change a profile image on your Telegram app. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.